Hello, kids. For reading today, you're going to click into our week 6 assignments into the reading folder, and you're going to click on this video. It's actually the same video that was there for Tuesday, but since many students' computers were not working and the system wasn't working on Tuesday, we're pushing the assignment to today. So you're going to be clicking into this video here, and it's all about using context clues to help you figure out the meanings of unfamiliar words that you come across in your reading. So context means all of the words around the word that you don't understand. So what you're going to use is kind of like the words that are before the word you don't understand and the words that are after the word you don't understand to help you make meaning for the word that you're struggling with. Context clues can help you figure out additional meaning that is missing if you just skipped over the word and didn't read it. So watch the video, and if you have time left in your reading time, the half hour that you have for independent reading, dig into a good book and try to find some examples where you come across a word that's unfamiliar that you figure out because of the words around it. If you are able to figure out what a word is and what it means by the words around it, that means you've used context clues to figure it out. And I'd love to hear some examples in our live reading session where you say, oh, Mr. Agee, if you share out, Mr. Agee or classmates, I was reading this book here and I came to this word and I didn't know what it was, and I used this sentence and the words around it to help me figure out what it means. And examples of that would be great for us to see and hear in our sharing session before we start our reading. Good luck, have fun, and enjoy your reading time.